Welcome to Phuket, Thailand's largest island and second most visited destination after Bangkok. Phuket is known for its white sand beaches, its glamorous harbors, and its luxurious resorts. But my favorite thing about Phuket is the spicy, sweet, tangy southern food. I'm Michelle Ray Jones, a senior associate at Tillicki & Gibbons. Tillicki & Gibbons is Thailand's oldest law firm and one of its largest. We have offices around the region, in Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, Myanmar, and Cambodia. Being headquartered in Thailand, we have lots of clients in the travel and tourism industry, including Anantara hotels and resorts. On most days, I help protect their intellectual property portfolio, but today I'm visiting the Anantara Layan Phuket Resort to eat. Taught by the much-loved Chef Hong, the resort's famous Spice Spoons cooking school is the perfect place to learn how to cook Southern Thai dishes, and to learn about some of Thailand's protected ingredients. Good morning, Chef Hong. Thank you for having us.
สวัสดีค่ะ So good morning คุณ Michelle.
Thank you.
So welcome on board for Spice Spoon School.
Can you tell us, how did you learn to cook?
From my mom, she's like my first teacher. Like when I was young, I always in kitchen with mom.
What's your favorite dish that your mother cooked?
Pork belly. We call หมูฮ้อง in Phuket also have หมูฮ้อง It's like a signature of Phuket as well.
And what is your favorite thing about Thai food?
Whatever my mom cook, I love all.
What do you think? What do you think is different about the food in Phuket from other parts of Thailand?
Our food, our seafood will be different from another ocean.
Okay. What are we doing now, Chef?
Phuket pineapple fried rice, or in Thai, how we call?
How about khao pat saporo?
Yeah, very good.
So we have this Phuket pineapple, which is a registered geographical indication in Thailand. Can you tell us what's so special about a Phuket pineapple?
In the Phuket solid, we have a lot of acid. And then it's like the main factor that can make the pineapple more sweet.
More sweet. Okay.
Yes, please. More sweet and crunchy. Shall we go?
Sure.
So we start to cut this part first. And then we continue with this part.
Okay, take off the sides.
And then now we will cut.
Okay, so cut off the top.
We will take the meat out.
Okay.
Take from the bottom.
Okay.
1 centimeter to another side.
To the other side, okay. Cut it. Oh, it's very
like a
juicy.
triangle.
So this is how you get the inside out easily.
Yes.
You make the cut in the bottom. Okay.
Now we have to be careful, otherwise it's broken.
Oh, and then it just pops right out. Okay. There we go.
You can taste.
Okay, I'll have a little taste. Oh, it's very crunchy, like you said, and very sweet.
Sweet and a little bit sour.
Little sour. That is the perfect pineapple.
Now we will cut the pineapple meat.
How big or how small?
1 centimeter
1
size like
centimeter.
this. After that, cube. Before we cook, I will introduce for the seasoning.
Okay.
Okay. For the seasoning, we will have black raisin and yellow raisin.
Okay. And we have cashew nuts. We have pepper. Is that tamarind sauce?
Smell, please.
Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, I'm gonna have to taste test. What is that?
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Oh, okay, that's thick.
I don't want you to taste. If you want to taste,
No.
it's good when it's cooking.
Yeah, exactly.
The last but not least,
Ooh, beautiful.
white sea prawn. White of Phuket sea prawn. Another main ingredient will be jasmine rice. This one comes from Surin.
Okay.
Surin Hom Mali rice.
Okay, and this is also a protected type of rice. It has a registered geographical indication.
They have concept long, white, smell good, and soft.
Okay, I'm happy to try it.
Another one is
Eggs. Yes, brown eggs.
Are you ready to cook?
Yes, I'm ready for you to cook.
First of all, could you please put me the 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, please?
And 4.
And around the pan, make the oil. I would like your hair very fastly because otherwise it will be burnt.
Okay.
Okay. So first of all, garlic, please. And I will continue with the egg. After that, prawns. Can you put me the pineapple, please?
Yes.
That we cut, and for your size, I put my size. Okay. Now start to put the seasoning.
Okay.
Fish sauce, please. 2 teaspoons.
Of this one? The fish sauce? Okay.
When you put fish sauce, don't put directly in the ingredient. Just put around the pan because the good smell. And continue with the soy sauce. Yeah. 1 teaspoon, please.
Okay.
After that, 1.5 of teaspoon of sugar.
Of sugar.
We can start, yeah, please, and a half.
Like that?
Yeah, please, perfect. After that, will be the oyster sauce.
Okay.
1 teaspoon, please.
1 teaspoon of the oyster sauce. Ooh, it's so thick.
Yes. Okay. Now we start to put the turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon, please. Okay, continue with the curry powder, please.
Okay, how much?
1.5, please.
Okay. 1.5.
Correct. Perfect. Now we start to put the vegetable.
Okay.
Maybe onion, carrot, and cherry tomato.
Okay, so everything?
Onion,
Oh, the big onions. Okay.
carrot. After that, we will put the raisin, please.
The raisins.
Raisin.
Okay.
Just 2 cups.
2 handfuls?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
After that, we put the rice. Okay,ค่ะ.
Okay.
Mix well.
Looks very beautiful.
Can you put me a little bit of half teaspoon of oil?
Like that or
Yes,
more?
please. 1 teaspoon chili sauce.
Chili sauce. Okay.
And one more thing we'll have be the powder,
The
pepper powder.
The pepper powder. Okay. How much?
1 teaspoon. Oh, yeah, just 3 pinch.
Like that? A little more? 1 more?
ค่ะ. And then continue with the cashew nut. A lot, huh?
Yeah, lots of ingredients.
Perfect,ค่ะ. And the last but not least will be spring onion and tomato cherry.
Okay. So spring onions and then
Perfect,ค่ะ.
tomatoes.
See, look good.
Yeah. Lots of great colors going on there. And it smells good too.
Be careful, it's hot. And the taste too?
Yes. It's sweet and salty.
Many flavor.
Yes, it's dynamic. I love it.
You want to put something more?
No, to me it tastes perfect, but you're the chef. What do you think?
I think a little bit of fish sauce.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Wonderful.
Okay,ค่ะ. So now we come to plating for the Phuket pineapple fried rice. Okay, so we will put the rice on the. Okay. For the fried rice, it will be good when you squeeze a little bit of lamb when you're eating. Phuket pineapple is ready for you.
Okay, thank you. Chef, thank you so much for having us today at Anantara Layan. We had a wonderful time.
I'm also appreciate that you come to join Spice Spoon cooking class with me. Okay, I hope you enjoy and for this class and can cook at home.
At Slicky & Gibbons, we're passionate about understanding every aspect of our clients' businesses. We champion their products and services, we advise them on strategy, and we even sample their food. We're especially eager to help our clients navigate complex intellectual property issues, from geographical indication law to trademark, copyright, and patent protection. Thank you very much for joining us today. We hope you had a good time.